Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can change permissions for apps on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. In order to manage permissions, grant access to certain things or revoke them, we need to go to the settings. Then in the settings we want to scroll down and we can, for instance, go to apps. Now over here we can tap see all apps in order to find all of them, and then you can select app that you want to manage. So let's say I'm gonna choose Chrome. And now over here we have permissions. If we go there, then we can find which permissions are allowed and which are not. So if you want to allow something, let's say like music and audio, then we can tap this and then we can decide if you want to allow or disallow. And of course you can do that with every permission over here. The other way that you can do in order to manage permissions is instead by going to security and privacy in settings. So in the settings you need to find security and privacy and then go there, and then we need to go to privacy, and then over here go to permission manager. Now in this menu we will find every permission that there is on our device, and then we can tap on any of this permission. So let's say we want to go to files. Actually, I don't have any apps that require files, so maybe let's go to location. And now I can choose which apps are allowed to use location. So over here I have the list, and for instance Google can access location all the time. Some apps can access only when I use them, and the rest are not allowed to do that. So let's say I want to choose YouTube, and now over here I can decide I can manage the location permission for this app. So I can choose allow only while using the app. I can require the smartphone to ask me every time, and I can also disallow it completely. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.